Today is the day, guys. Saturday the 8th of April. It is Low Class Militia San Antonio. The car is completely detailed. Just gonna gather up some of my supplies here real quick, just the little knickknacks that I'll need, and we're gonna head out. Just like with everything else I do, I'm running a little bit behind, so we're just gonna do this thing and get out of here real quick. Gotta get the cold start. Open the garage door first. Try to stay out of the puddles. So far it seems pretty dry, at least right here, but yeah, we're gonna keep an eye out for puddles. Not after I put all that work in on the detailing. I forgot I started recording already. Oh my god. Finding this entrance was me off. I don't know what it is about car shows, but it's always like the back entrance to get in. And there's always a one-way, so if you miss it because you don't know where the entrance was, you have to then make an entire circle around downtown to find it again. That was my experience. That was an absolute effing nightmare. I was getting heated, dude. But we're here. My group is inside. Surprise, because I'm late as shit. So hopefully there's still a spot next to them. If not, I don't give a shit, honestly. At least we're here at this point. God damn. It'll be fine. It's gonna be fun. Once I get in here, it'll be fine. I forgot a regular microfiber for my wheels though, so I'm gonna have to either bum one or see if I can use my my little sponge instead, because I don't want to use my really nice microfiber for my wheels, obviously, but it'll be fine. We're here, we're good, let's get inside, let's park, let's meet everybody. Yeah, I'll fast forward a little bit.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. All right, buddy, so you're supposed to be at a quarter tank.
Just with the light on, so we're perfect.
It's a dumb rule, man. So when you get parked in there, in the hole, and you're parked, and you're not going to move the vehicle anymore, then you disconnect the battery.
Okay, for sure.
If you can wrap the terminals with electric tape to protect them, that'd be great.
Okay.
If you don't have electric tape, don't worry about it.
I could throw like a microfiber around it or something.
Just position them away. They're not going to cause a problem.
You got it. All right, cool. Okay. Perfect.
So have a good time. He'll get you your badge. The next guy will direct you up the ramp.
Appreciate it. Thank you, man. Hi there, how you doing?
How many in the vehicle?
Just myself.
Just yourself?
Yeah.
Do you mind signing in?
Sure.
It's just going to be name, date of birth, and then company if applicable.
Okay, cool.
You spoke to the fire marshal already?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
You're good to go then.
Awesome.
He's right inside hall 3. Okay.
Okay, all right, cool, thank you. Inside hall 3. Let's see, 1, 2. Transitions are still all dark from being outside.
Are you with the team?
Yeah, with DreWorks Automotive.
You're in a special spot.
Alright, cool. I don't know if it says anything on his booth. I think it's just the table, so I don't know that I see it.
I still don't want to get stuck. Do you see the flag anywhere? Or you said it wasn't labeled?
He might have a flag, but I don't.
You can choose it.
All right.
I'm going to take a wild guess and say you're probably going to be not to the furthest one, but the second to last one on the right, because I only have like a few vendors this way.
Okay.
If it's incorrect, don't kill me. They'll probably just have you drive back around, but I'm pretty sure you'll go that way.
So not the very last row, but the one.
The second to last, I believe.
Okay. So don't follow the wall just before that. Cool. I'm gonna go take a look. Because they didn't know where your booth was. They're like, you're gonna have to just. They're like, you're gonna have to just drive around at this point and find it. And I was like, oh, okay.
We're all the way over there.
Oh. All right. Let me drive.
That's fine.
Well, I can drive over there too if you don't want to just point me to it. Because they literally just let me freestyle. They're like, you're gonna have to just find it. Is it in the back corner?
Yeah, like over there.
Okay. So I'm supposed to be with a booth.
Whenever you're taking shots like that.
He said he's over in that corner, but she said he's over here.
Yeah, no, yeah. I'm still learning to all this, bro. So I mean, hey, whatever you learn, go ahead.
Dreworks Automotive, yeah. She kind of like sent me to freestyle over. She's like, they'll probably yell at you, but like I'm sure it's over in that corner. I'm like, okay.
I didn't even see that booth, bro. I'm just confused where they're at.
Yeah, it's like it's not a labeled tent, but he's got this merch table and stuff. So
Well, let's let him find out where it's at, because it's gonna be tough to get you through here.
that's fine. I mean, worst case, if I have to stay here, it's fine. I was like, that was kind of wag.
That's dumb. If you can find the booth, I'll get you through, but
I mean, yeah, if you can, that'd be great. If not, I mean, I get it. It's already full.
he doesn't see it.
All right, I'll park here. It's fine. It is what it is.
You're gonna be in your own little bubble, though.
Hey, I mean, shit. Towards you?
Just straight back.
Okay. I mean, I'm all by myself in here, which is cool. Like, this little spot, I'm the only car right next to this booth pretty much, but like, so frustrating, dude. First I couldn't find the entrance, then they couldn't find the booth I'm supposed to be with, so now I'm like, and then before all this, the guy that I was supposed to come here with, like cruise here with, his car wasn't ready, so I couldn't cruise with him here. I got lost on the way, and then they didn't find my booth while I'm here, and it's like, try not to be frustrated, but it's gonna be fine. I'm used to being by myself. I do everything alone anyway because I'm freaking shy, so whatever, it's fine. All right, got everything cleaned up, got it polished, cleaned my wheels. I made do with that little sponge that I had, and then I got adopted in with this really cool booth here since I got robbed and didn't get to be part of my booth. And lucky for me, their cars didn't show up either, so they didn't have cars, I didn't have a booth, so they hooked me up with the spot, and they gave me this really freaking sick banner. I'm gonna hit it with some heat when I get home, but absolutely killer. Looks so good against the pink too, and it's an up and coming little group, naturally growing, so it's just word of mouth. Really dope. And if you don't, you need to be following their media page on Instagram. It's killer. I heard about them when I was in New Mexico because they do a lot of El Paso stuff, and so obviously El Paso was like our car hub in New Mexico. But yeah, we're gonna go find Dre right now. I saw him. There he is. He's over there. But battery's disconnected. They hooked me up with the 10 mil because I forgot mine. Dude, I was like not prepared at all. But battery disconnected, car detailed. All my stuff is in the box, locked up. So yeah, we're gonna go link up with the group real quick. Leon is still getting some food. My wife will be here shortly. We're kind of just waiting for them to kick us out for inspection. I think that's what they're gonna do. They usually do that. And yeah, we'll be set.
Oh, what up?
What's up?
Where they end up having you park?
Pretty much right where they had me. I'm right on the other side of that red truck.
I was hoping that they were gonna make you go around because I put the.
When I fought to him, I was like, she sent me back here. She's the one that didn't have the map. She's like, just go over there and they'll help guide you. So I told them exactly that, and they're like, well, we would, but you're kind of already locked in. So that I don't know how you don't know where your booths are, especially when they were here the day before.
Yeah.
I don't know how you don't have a map. But I don't know. That's some but I guess we're in here.
I mean, this is the first decent show or good show in San Antonio at all.
Yeah, because
all they have
Clean
here
Culture
is-
hasn't come here yet, right? And it's
All
just
they have
fitted
is
and
auto shows. That's really it.
both of your cars are sex.
Like I did his kit and the bags, and then I did his bags.
I've seen them posted because they're definitely like the brand
now that they're
representatives
together,
for sure.
they've never been together.
Oh, really?
This will be the first time that they've been together.
I think I found the kid. It's about $20,000 kid.
That's chump change. That's fine. We got this.
Bro.
So they didn't kick us out. So I don't know if they're going to, because there's definitely a lot of people in here now. So I don't know if they are just not doing that. Maybe it was just a meeting. I was buying merch, so I missed the whole thing. But they didn't kick anybody out. I guess we'll just walk around. You know what's crazy is T-Mobile has a booth right here, and I have T-Mobile and no service in this building. But it's not a very good look for you when you're trying to sell your product.
One eternity later.
Everybody on the way out, start now. Again, everybody next to the front of the building. Another end stage.
So I know we got to clear out of the building, but I don't know which way the front of the building is. I've never been here.
A little later.
Hey! Sorry, I'm looking for somebody. Yeah, dude, that's just nasty. We need an RWB in San Antonio. I don't think we have one yet. What's up, bro? How you I know. I think we got taller.
It's the shoes.
Shit. Hi, my name is Aaron. Kind of friends with him.
How are you?
My wife's Sydney.
Hi, nice to meet you. How's the hotel? It's good, thank you so much. Yeah, if you have any issues, let me know.
Oh,
This is the hoopty.
dude, it looks good.
Thanks, man.
It looks
So-
a lot better than the orange.
I
You did
agree.
A better job on the wrap.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I think it just looks better. I didn't like the matte. Like, it didn't... The car's too round to have matte. It needs edges. But funny story about the banner. That's new as of like an hour ago. Because I was supposed to be with a booth over there. And they didn't know where the booth was. So they sent me to this corner. And they're like, yeah, just go find it. It's probably over there.
This is the guy that won my competition.
And this is his booth, yeah.
Oh,
And that's his banner. Because I parked here like...
you made Gecky Media? Oh shit.
I think he's walking around somewhere. But yeah,
crazy, dude.
so his cars from El Paso flaked out on him, and my booth, they flaked out on me because they sent me in the wrong direction. So I'm his car, he's my booth now, and they gave me a banner.
There you go.
So it kind of works out.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, dude.
But yeah,
We haven't explored much. We've just kind of been in this area. We've gotten some footy
nice.
already.
Cool. Sweet. Put this in the car. How y'all been?
Huh?
How y'all been?
Pretty good.
How was the drive? Raining?
Long.
Facts. Do you leave tomorrow or Monday?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow early?
So it'll be fun. It'll be a fun drive.
You guys do downtown yesterday? How was it?
Better than Albuquerque.
Yeah.
Less homeless? Less homeless people too?
Yeah, I saw like in the amount of time I've been here, I've only seen 3 homeless people.
Nice. Yeah. They went to Austin. Hey look. This one says NM BMW on it.
That's cool.
Sure is. The Instagram tag like that. No, but that's nice.
Oh, stop it right now.
Yes. What's up, man? How are you? Good, you? Good. Hey.
Hi, how are you?
I don't have any
Hey,
phone
how
service.
are you?
So this is Hi, how are you? How are y'all doing?
It's been so long.
Yeah. Is this you? This shit's clean, bro. This is really clean. And the plate, even better. Yeah, even better. This is cool.
Yeah. Do you have a judging sheet?
I don't know. I didn't.